Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 24H2 update for the May release. This is the Patch Tuesday or the B release for the month of July, and in this video we are talking about the build 26100.4652 or build code KB5062553. As I've said, this is the Patch Tuesday or the security update for Windows 11 24H2 on the May release in July, and in this video we're going to talk about the new security improvements that were added, the new fixes, and also the new features that are extending their rollout this month. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, as always, to get this update and all the latest features, make sure you open up the settings app, go to Windows Update, and then make sure you click on get the latest updates as soon as they're available, and then click on check for updates. This way your operating system will be updated, and also the database for Windows Defender, if you're not using any other antivirus software, will be updated. Additionally, you can check the blog post from the official Microsoft website if you wanna see the in-depth security improvements that were added in this build. Particular to this build, we have a few issues that were fixed. For example, related to graphics, we have an issue that only occurs if the June 2025 non-security update was installed, and game content might become out of sync with the cursor position after using Alt+Tab to switch away and back from certain games running in full screen exclusive mode when the game resolution doesn't match the desktop resolution, and that is now fixed. Also related to multimedia, this update addresses an issue where notification sounds didn't play. Affected sounds included those for on-screen alerts, volume adjustments, and sign-in. And finally, related to Windows Firewall, this update addresses an issue found in Event Viewer as Event 2042 for Windows Firewall. With advanced security, the event appears as config read failed with the message more data is available. For information about this issue, you can see error events are logged for Windows Firewall in the Windows Health dashboard if you're interested. Talking about new features that are extending their rollout this month, I'm gonna briefly mention some of them, some of the main ones, but of course if you want to check them out in depth, you can check some of my previous videos that I've done from the release preview channel last month and also from the main release in the feature update. We're getting in this build small taskbar icons. If you right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings and then taskbar behaviors, you may notice here show smaller taskbar buttons, and you can set it to always if you want to see the small taskbar buttons. New improvements for the start menu, and to be more exact, related to phone link and this phone sidebar. New improvements when sharing pictures. For example, I'm going to share this picture. I have the option to compress it if the size is too big. That is pretty nice. We also have improved file explorer performance related to archives with a lot of small files, and app updates, which include the snipping tool app, which now has color picker, notepad, which now has text formatting, photos, and also the Microsoft Store. If you want to see all these updates, make sure you open up the Microsoft Store, go to downloads, and check for updates so that all your apps will be updated. Additionally, we're also getting the Windows 11 servicing stack, which basically ensures that you have a reliable and robust servicing stack, which allows you to receive and install Microsoft updates. For additional information, of course, I advise you to check out the article below or the official Microsoft blog post. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Maddie from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.